How to install a rooftop cargo carrier for Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup. Installing a rooftop cargo carrier on your Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup can provide you with extra storage space for all your gear and equipment when you're heading out for a road trip or outdoor adventure. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to install a rooftop cargo carrier on your truck. 1. Choose the right rooftop cargo carrier. Make sure to select a rooftop cargo carrier that is compatible with your Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup. Consider factors such as size, weight capacity, and design to ensure it suits your needs. 2. Gather the necessary tools. Before you start the installation process, make sure you have all the required tools handy. This may include a wrench, screwdriver, measuring tape, and any additional mounting hardware that comes with the cargo carrier. 3. Position the cargo carrier. Place the rooftop cargo carrier on the roof of your truck and position it in the desired location. Ensure that it is centered and aligned properly before proceeding with the installation. 4. Attach the mounting brackets. Use the provided mounting brackets to secure the cargo carrier to the roof of your truck. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure a proper and secure fit. 5. Tighten the bolts. Once the mounting brackets are in place, use a wrench or screwdriver to tighten the bolts securely. Make sure that the cargo carrier is firmly attached to the roof of your truck to prevent any movement during driving. 6. Check for stability. After installing the rooftop cargo carrier, give it a gentle shake to check for stability. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure that the carrier is securely mounted on your truck. 7. Load your gear. Once the rooftop cargo carrier is installed and secured, you can start loading your gear and equipment. Make sure to distribute the weight evenly and stay within the weight capacity limit of the carrier to avoid any damage. By following these steps, you can easily install a rooftop cargo carrier on your Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup and enjoy the added convenience of extra storage space for all your adventures. Remember to regularly check the cargo carrier for any signs of wear and tear to ensure safe and secure transportation of your belongings. Why do you need extra storage room for Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup? When it comes to owning a Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup, having extra storage room is essential for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, the Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup is known for its robust performance and capability, making it a popular choice for those who need a powerful vehicle for both work and play. With such a versatile truck, having extra storage room allows for greater flexibility in transporting tools, equipment, or recreational gear. Having extra storage room in the Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup also enhances its practicality and convenience. Whether you are using the truck for hauling materials for a construction project or loading up gear for a weekend camping trip, having ample storage space means you can easily organize and secure your belongings. This not only helps to keep your truck interior clean and clutter-free but also ensures that everything is easily accessible when you need it. Moreover, extra storage room in the Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup can also improve safety on the road. By securely storing items in the designated storage compartments, you can prevent loose objects from rolling around the cabin, which can be distracting and potentially hazardous while driving. Additionally, having a designated space for storing tools or equipment means they are less likely to shift during transit, reducing the risk of damage or injury in the event of sudden stops or sharp turns. In conclusion, having extra storage room in a Ram 1500 Rebel Crew pickup is a valuable asset that enhances the overall functionality and versatility of the vehicle. Whether you are using the truck for work or play, having ample storage space ensures that you can transport your belongings safely, securely, and efficiently.